All right, so here we are, the foundation collection. This is actually only like half of my foundation collection. I actually have about 40 foundations on the other side of the room. Like I said, I started packing and forgot that I said I would do a makeup collection video. So yeah, this isn't all of my foundations, but I will do a full foundation video very soon because I think I'm going to have to declutter again. If you guys haven't seen my first foundation declutter, make sure you check it out. But here we go. This is the madness once again. So I kind of have drugstore foundations on this side for the most part. And then I have, what do you call these? High-end foundations on this side. And then we have stick foundations here in the middle. So for my foundations, I have lots of different types. I'm not going to bore you with it because like I said, I'm going to do a video very soon. But any brand you can think of, I probably have. Too Faced, Lancome, Fenty, Bobbi Brown, NARS, MAC, of course, BH Cosmetics, Revlon, L'Oreal, Wet n Wild, Maybelline, Huda, all of it. Becca, I got it. So that's what's in there. Alright, so here's another drawer I'm probably going to have to declutter very soon as well. I just need more storage. Or I need to get rid of stuff. I don't know. I can't tell you which one yet. But this side, these are all of my primers, my face primers in here. So all different types. Again, Fenty, Urban Decay. This Peter Thomas Roth one is actually really nice. I have number 7, NARS, Makeup Forever, a YSL primer, which I like it. But I don't like love it. But I like it. Did I already say Too Faced, L'Oreal, Milani, all types of primers in there. Most of them are mattifying primers because that's usually what I go for. Then in here I have all of my eye primers. So again, all different types. LA Girl, Maybelline, Too Faced Shadow Insurance, Wet n Wild, Essence. Yeah, all of those. I have some setting sprays over here. This isn't my entire setting spray collection. I have the rest in the other drawer set that you guys will see, but these are just some of them. I have the Morphe, the Milani Make It Last setting spray, which this is actually one of my faves. Ben Nye. What else? LA Girl. That's a pretty good one as well. And then these are all of my concealers. I have also decluttered some concealers. If you guys haven't seen that declutter video, you should check it out. But yeah, Tarte, Shape Tape, ColourPop, Urban Decay, Maybelline, Anastasia, Wet n Wild, LA Girl, BH Cosmetics. Yeah, all of those. All of those. And these drawers that I have in here, they are super random. The little organizers that I have in here, they're so random. I have cabinet liner on the bottom so I don't ruin the drawers. And then I have these little drawers from all over the place. Like these like this all come from the Dollar Tree and they're like $3 for $1. Same with these right here, and they're so old. They last me for so long. And these actually came from the Dollar Tree as well, and they're like $3 for $1 little acrylic organizers. So you can find organizers really anywhere. So yeah. All right, so let's just keep it moving. Y'all see my leg right here? Let's just keep it moving. This is my loose, well, some of my loose setting powders that I want to keep at like arm's reach. And then I have some just regular setting powders and also bronzers. So over here we have Makeup Forever, Urban Decay, Too Faced, not Toothpaste, Black Radiance, Beauty Bakery, more Too Faced, Sephora, and then the Wowder by Glossier, which I really like. This drawer, or this organizer, again from the Dollar Tree. This one's from the Dollar Tree as well. But these have all of my bronzers in it, except for this. I probably just ran out of space. But this is the Wonder 2 Perfect Selfie Powder, which I really like. And then I have other bronzers, NYX, Cover FX, Fit Me by Maybelline, Too Faced, which is one of my favorite, BH Cosmetics Pressed Powder, and then this Makeup Forever powder is actually a setting powder. And then we have some stick contours back here as well by Jordana, Wet n Wild, Anastasia, Morphe, and Maybelline. These are my actual pressed face powders. Most of them. Becca, I have some Hourglass in there. Catrice, BH Cosmetics, NYX, Black Radiance, Peach Blur by Too Faced. I was looking for this everywhere. MAC, Black Opal, L'Oreal, Ulta, all that fun stuff. Okay, so this is another just like drawer full of randomness, just kind of some things thrown. More bronzers, Bobbi Brown, I have a Wet n Wild, a Stila, and then also have some blushes in here. So Becca, Laura Geller, Milani, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Blush Trio. These are some random Makeup Forever eyeshadows. It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed, which I don't really love. More Milani, and yeah, a drawer full of randomness, literally. I have some lashes thrown in here, and then over here just have more of my favorite blushes. So NARS Kat Von D, this is an LA Girl Pro Contour palette, which is actually really good. Tarte blushes, and then some MAC back there. And then over here I have more random stuff. Some eyeshadows that I want to use. Inglot, Elf, Wet n Wild, NYX. A Laura Geller Body Frosting, I think it's called. Baked Body Frosting, Gilded Glow. And then I have the Marc Jacobs, I forgot I even bought this, the Marc Jacobs Contour Palette, which I am not a huge fan of, and I should have just taken it back, but I didn't. But yeah. This is probably my favorite drawer. Besides the foundation drawer, this is probably my favorite drawer, one of the most exciting. And these are my highlighters. So I have highlighters from literally everywhere. Anastasia Beverly Hills, Estee Lauder, Wet n Wild, Laura Geller, Makeup Forever, Artist Couture, Bobbi Brown, Ulta brand, Wet n Wild again, Lorac, MAC, everywhere. Becca, yeah. It gets a little crazy in here, but that's what that looks like. And then this next drawer just has a lot of eye palettes in it. So the Naked palette, the original OG Naked palette, my Natasha Denona palettes, some more ColourPop palettes, Carly Bible, more Naked palettes, the Too Faced Peach palette, the first Peach palette, the Huda Beauty palette, this is the Rose Gold one, her first one. What else is in here? The Violet Voss and Laura Lee palettes. The Morphe palettes are over there. Some Kylie palettes. Yeah, so that's about it for that drawer. And this last drawer is just another drawer full of random finds. I have some things from e.l.f. and ColourPop down there. What are these? Just some palettes from Maybelline. And then from Wet n Wild as well. I have just some more random shit over there also. So yeah. So my last set of drawers that I have to show you are these. I have some things on top which we'll dive into in a second, but I just wanted to show you how the drawers were set up. And these are two 5-drawer pieces that actually sit on top of each other. So two 5-drawer sets. And I got those from Amazon also. All right, so let's start with what's on top here. So on top of this drawer set, I actually just keep my perfume collection. I don't have a very big perfume collection, but I do have a lot of samples that I get sent a lot of times. So I keep those in here. And then I have this little clear cup, and I just keep my travel size perfume. So I have a YSL Black Opium, Victor & Rolf Flower Bomb, a Victoria's Secret. I don't know why I have this old ass Kim Kardashian one, but yeah. Then if you look closely behind it, I don't know if you can really see, but I have my full-size perfumes. So I just have my Gucci Guilty Black. And then I also have a brand new one that is awaiting to be opened. I have the Lady Gaga perfume, which I'm about to get rid of because I've had that for a very long time. This is red. And then I just have a body spray. I really don't have that many full-size perfumes because I don't use them very often. Then I keep my lipsticks up here, some more liquid lipsticks up here. All different brands, of course, a lot of NYX, some Kylie, Colored Rain, some YSL here in the front, Dose of Colors, Urban Decay, Anastasia, Lena Lashes, ColourPop, and Ofra are all up there. And then way back in the back, I don't know if you guys can see, but I just have a lot of brushes sitting back here in this container. So they're all kind of sitting back here. Okay, so let's move actually into the drawers. The first drawer is a lot of my pressed and loose setting powders. Sorry if I'm moving, guys. My tripod does not get this tall, so I actually just have to like stand it up on one leg. But this is my drawer, like I said, full of my pressed powders and my loose powders. So a lot of different types in here. Black Opal, CoverGirl, Laura Mercier, which I really like. A Rimmel Stay Matte, which is actually brand new over here. Lorac, LA Girl, and then over here I have a lot of my loose, so Maybelline Fit Me, Becca, Kat Von D, LA Girl. What is this? A MAC powder? Yeah, this is my MAC Studio Skin Perfecting Powder, which I actually really like. I don't know why I'm not using that right now. Cover FX is back here. Some Sephora brand powders, Allura Geller, all the types. Besame, which I don't use very often, is their violet powder. So I have those in there. So the next drawer contains all of my makeup brushes. This is actually how I store my makeup brushes. This one would be my eye brushes. I have some beauty sponges over here from all different brands. Some Morphe, like NYX, a Sephora brand, all different types of brands I have over here. And then I just keep the rest of my eye brushes all in here. And I literally have all types of brushes, from Sigma to e.l.f. to Morphe to It Cosmetics is in here, BH Cosmetics, RC Cosmetics, Urban Decay, Eco Tools, all types of brushes are in here. And then back here I keep some extra little like powder puffs for my loose powders. So this next drawer actually holds most of my face brushes. Some more are the brushes that you just saw on top of this drawer set, but these are the majority of my face brushes, and I have all types. Again, BH Cosmetics, Real Techniques, Eco Tools, Tarte, Morphe, a lot of Morphe, Sephora brand, what is this, Zoeva, all types. Sigma, of course. And then my beauty blenders kind of sit over here. The rest of them are in the other room because they just got washed, but I have so many beauty blenders, but they sit in here. So this drawer is where we start to get a tad random. This is where I said I started kind of packing up things already, but I have some brand new products in here. Some Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencils. They had a sale, so I bought some. I have some brand new mascaras over here. A new Buxom lip gloss in White Russian. You guys know I love that. And just some random items, ColourPop, e.l.f., randomness. I also stuck my other, what are these? Setting sprays in here. So the setting sprays that couldn't fit in that other drawer, I just kind of stuck them in here. A few Too Faced, Tatcha, Makeup Revolution, Ofra, yeah, Gerard Cosmetics, Smashbox, all of those. And then I have some extra beauty sponges right over there. All right, this drawer is going to get cleaned out like before I leave because I can't go with this drawer looking like this. But this drawer has a lot of my sample products as well as just products that I haven't gotten to yet, like newer products that I just haven't gotten around to using yet. This is like Korean skincare. I don't know if I told you guys, but I am a beauty blender fanatic. So there's 3 brand new beauty blenders, a Dr. Brandt cleanser way back there, Smashbox, Murad. This drawer is disgusting, and I could literally let someone just go shopping in this drawer. There's a lot of travel size products in here. So we have now made it to the last set of drawers, thank God. And this drawer contains one drawer of my eyelashes. Kind of eyelash obsessed as well, so I have lashes from literally everywhere. Red Cherry, I have some Sephora brand over there, some Lash Craze, some Allure, their beauty blogger series. Morphe actually has some really cute lashes. A lot of eBay lashes are in here as well because I really love eBay lashes. Some Amazon lashes. So same deal here, more lashes, but this drawer actually houses my favorite type of lashes. These are my Cocoa lashes. These are Queen Bee, actually my absolute favorite lashes like ever. And then I have some, I also have this from Ardell. I purchased this from Ulta. And then some more Allure beauty blogger series. This second to last drawer houses more eyeshadow palettes. So I have Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette, a MAC palette, a bunch of Morphe palettes are in here, like just a bunch. Kylie, Too Faced, Urban Decay, more Morphe, Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye palettes, a MAC palette. There's a NARS palette that I really wasn't a huge fan of, as well as a Stila, and then some more Juvia's placed back there. We made it, y'all. The absolute last drawer of makeup includes my face palettes. So, City Color, Juvia's Place, Lena Lashes, which this is an amazing highlighter palette and it's $5. Makeup Revolution, Too Faced, Anastasia, a bunch of Anastasia glow kits are back there, and e.l.f. palettes. It gets cray-cray, y'all. Really cray-cray. But that is it. That is the last drawer. Thank you guys so much for hanging in there with me. Thank you so much for watching these videos. I hope you enjoyed them. There will be a makeup collection coming as soon as I get my room together at the new place. There will also be a room tour and all of that fun stuff. So if you like videos like this, you definitely want to subscribe so you can see all of those at our new house and just really see how I set up my new place. I'm also going to have a few declutters coming up before we get out of this house. So just stay tuned. Lot of good stuff coming up in the month of February and March. So I love you guys so much. Follow me on my vlog channel also if you want to see like more of the candid stuff, because I'm always packing things over there and showing you guys how I declutter my house and clean my house and things like that. So follow us on the vlog channel and follow me on my social media, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.